Want to know how to log out from Dola AI on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your Dola account in just a few steps in your phone, which is your Android or your iPhone. So make sure to tune in for this. So first things first, you need to just simply open up your Dola AI application. And once you're there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile, just simple like that. And now once you're onto your profile, on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This is the settings, this simple like settings. And now here you should be seeing Dola account on top. This should be right below your username. Just simply like that. Now once you're there, here all the way in the bottom you should be seeing logout. Just simply like that. Set confirm logout and you should successfully be logged out of Dola AI. Now you can just simply continue by logging in by default. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.